Hi everyone, today we're going to study shift cipher. There are various ways to generalize the Caesar cipher. For example, instead of shifting the numerical equivalent of each letter by 3, we can shift the numerical equivalent of each letter by k, so that the function f of p is equal to the quantity p plus k, then mod 26. Here, the integer k is called a key. Such a cipher is called a shift cipher. Note that decryption can be carried out using the f inverse of c, that is equal to c minus k mod 26. Example 1. Encrypt the message "Stop pollution" by applying the encryption function f of p equals the quantity p plus 21 mod 26. For step 1, we're going to translate each letter to the corresponding element of z sub 26. Let us show our alphanumeric table. We know that A starts with 0, B corresponds to 1, C corresponds to 2, so on and so forth, and the Z corresponds to 25. So we write the message "Stop pollution" here, and then we're going to write the corresponding numbers for the letters. The S is 18, T is 19, O 14, P 15, O 14, L 11, U 20, T 19, I 8, O 14, N 13. Then step 2, we will replace each of these numbers P by f of P is equal to the quantity P plus 21 mod 26. Let's begin with the first number, 18. So we are going to have 18 plus 21. The answer is 39. Then we take the mod 26. The answer here is 13. So for number 18, the value is 13. We're going to use this pattern for all the remaining numbers. It means the 19 becomes 14, 14 is 9, 15 is 10. 14 is 9, 11 is 6, 20 is 15, 19 is 14, 8 becomes 3, 14 is 9, 13 becomes 8. Now for step 3, we translate this back to letters to get the encrypted message. We will use the same table in here. The 13 number becomes N, 14 is O, 9 is J, 10 is K, 10 is K, 9 is J, 6 is G, 6 another G, 15 is P, 14 is O, 3 is D, 9 is J, 8 is I. This is the final answer. Example 2. Decrypt the message encrypted using the shift cipher. F of P equals the quantity P plus 10 mod 26. The message is C E B B O X N O B space X Y G. Step 1. We translate each letter to the corresponding element of Z sub 26. Here is our table. So for the message, we write it here, and the numbers corresponding to each of the letters are here. C is 2, E is 4, B is 1, B is 1, O 14, X 23, N 13, O 14, B 1. Then x 23, y 24, g 6. For step 2, we're going to decrypt the message using the f-inverse function c is equal to the quantity c minus 10. Take note that our function given here is f of p equals p plus 10. The key is the number 10. So in our f-inverse, we're going to use the same value p, but this time it is c minus 10, then mod 26. Let's begin with the number 2. So we will have 2 minus 10. The answer is negative 8, then we will write mod 26. In our table here, there is no value for negative number. So we will convert this into equivalent mod value. So this negative 8 we add by 26. The answer is 18. Then mod 26 is here. The value or the answer here is 18. So for the number 2, the corresponding value is 18. This pattern we're going to use for the remaining numbers. The number 4 becomes 20, 1, 17, 1, 17, 14, 4, 23, 13, 13 is 3, 14 is 4, 1 becomes 17, 23 is 13, 24 is 14, 6 becomes 22. Then step 3, we translate back to letters to get the decrypted message. We will use the same alphanumeric table in here. So the 18 is S, 20 is U, 17 is R, 17 R, 4 is E, 13 is N, 3 is D, 4 is E, 17 is R, then space, 13 is N, 14 is O, 22 is W. So the message is surrender now. This is the final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.